Joey, this area from my side over here, I'll be using this whole area for our flight. For the flight controls. And now, guys, we are ready to go.
Oh wow. Oh, it feels a lot more smooth than I thought it would be.
It's cool.
This is actually really better than I thought it would be.
This is cool.
Yeah.
Cape traffic, helicopter 829er Alpha Kilo is with you on upwind. Will remain 500 feet and below and over the port.
Oh wow. Awesome.
I never thought I would be in a helicopter. Like, seriously.
Well, maybe you'll get your license after this and start flying them.
There you go.
Yeah. Our hotel room for...
Oh, your hotel is the Holiday Inn?
Yeah.
Down there?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's Cape Canaveral off to the left there. We're over Coco Island here. And the nose of the helicopter is pointed to a nuclear submarine station right there.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. Oh my god.
Cape traffic there, so it's 3 or 4 or 500 Cape.
Cape traffic, helicopter 829er Alpha Kilo is moving eastbound through the port at 600.
Look at the top of these
now
boats.
be orbiting over the jetty and return to the port at 500.
Oh my god.
So that's Cape Canaveral Beach on the left, which is restricted, so nobody's allowed on the sand on the left side. And all those towers are rocket launching pads, starting with number 36 there. That belongs to Jeff Bezos from Amazon and Blue Origin.
Wow, that's cool.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, beautiful colors.
Oh wow.
Make a big turn to the right here, guys. We'll check out the beach, and then we're going to circle back through the port.
Oh god.
Yep. All right.
This is called Jetty Park Beach.
Yeah,
And-
me and
there's
Joey
our
was... There's our hotel right there.
Yeah. This was definitely worth it.
Yeah. It was worth getting a little bit scared, but...
Yeah.
Joey, sorry, buddy. I need this space here for the control.
Sorry.
Yeah, look at the colors in the clouds today. It's really pretty.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, we don't get too many days like this. This was an unusual one. Cape traffic, helicopter 9er Alpha Kilo is with you. Abeam the jetty moving northbound to the port at 500.
That's cool to see, like, over the top of the cruise.
Yeah. I flew one of the guys from this ship this morning.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah. He He has his own helicopter.
Oh, neat.
So over on the right side, by the way, the ship on the left used to be the biggest cruise ship in the world, 10,000 people on there, called the Wonder of the Seas. And over on the right, you'll see a rocket. There's two rockets, actually. One of them is down on its side, and the other one is already up, and you'll see the legs are still attached to it. The tube on the docks is another Falcon 9 rocket. So do you guys see the rocket right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right between the two cranes.
That's what we seen this morning, I think.
Yeah, they pushed it in on this barge this morning.
This morning, yeah, we were watching it.
Yeah, I saw it from the helicopter.
Oh, cool.
So we're going to make a big turn here over the Banana River and come back to the port. That's the NASA building over there to the right with the American flag called the VAB. All right, big turn to Joey's side here. Look at this. Awesome.
Oh, wow. This is awesome.
This is really fun.
Wow.
Cape Canaveral, helicopter 9 drop. Kilo is with you, beam the lock, moving eastbound through the port at 500 on final approach for FA90. Guys, thank you so much for flying with us. I hope everyone had a nice time.
Oh,
was
great.
amazing, yeah.
Definitely awesome. See if mommy wants to go.
Probably.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, it's definitely smoother than I ever thought it'd be.